The man who fought hardest for freedom was killed by those he trusted most. It's 1960, Leopoldville, Belgian Congo. After 80 years of brutal colonial rule, independence finally arrives. Patrice Lumumba becomes the first prime minister, his fiery speeches electrifying crowds across the nation. He promises true African independence, not the fake freedom Belgium wants to give. He nationalizes the mines that made Belgium rich for decades. He refuses to bow to Western demands and seeks Soviet support when America turns him away. For months, he is the voice of African liberation, but in secret, the CIA meets with Belgian agents and rival Congolese politicians. They cannot allow this defiance to spread across Africa. His own army receives new orders. Soldiers he trusted surround his compound and drag him away in chains. They torture him for days, then execute him in a remote field. His body is dissolved in acid, so no grave can become a shrine to his memory. The freedom fighter who challenged an empire was Patrice Lumumba.